Right, assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to the SHIB update today. And SHIB has been down, Bitcoin has been longing down as well. And this is all you can say is that Bitcoin is leaking right now, and that's the reason why we have SHIB. Even yesterday we got we got one risk like 5-7% on our private, and yeah, that one wasn't good because of how the market really was. Maybe I shouldn't have traded yesterday considering how Bitcoin was looking, but anyways. And we're looking at SHIB because SHIB at the moment is below this retest line, unfortunately. Do you see this inverse head and shoulder that popped to the upside? Right now, when you came down, you have come down and you have closed below the trend line itself. Notice how previously you touched the trend line, you bounced off here and you moved to the upside. So basically what I'm saying is this trend line or neckline was your support here, resistance, break above, support here, and then a move to the upside. And right now you have come again, and the way it was resistance before has turned into resistance once again. So now what's going to happen? Let's talk about it, okay? And unfortunately, I do see this one candle across the board, and that is a continuation known as 3 black crows, and that's what I do see. And I'm going to show you what exactly this is, like the one red candle, second red candle, and the third red candle. So all of this, you do get a little bit of relief to the upside with the green, and then you continue even way more lower. Now considering that you also fail to maintain the prices above the neckline, this is 2 negative points at the moment, okay? Number one, you have turned the support previously now into resistance. You are below the neckline. And the second thing is the candlestick reading says that there's a continuation of a downtrend. So if you're looking at red candles back to back, 3 red candles back to back, it just means you're looking for more downtrend. And if you're looking for 3 green candles back to back, means higher uptrend. That's just how candle reading works. So what kind of an example can I give you? That's going to be this right here. Okay, this is the best. History is always a good teacher. So let's go to the history. You have 1, you have 2, you have 3, followed by a green candle, and this is exactly what I'm trying to say. See, move down. So that's something like this. Okay, we might be looking at something very, very similar to that one as well. I do think Pepe as well has the very same scenario. We do have like 3 black crows. You can see even Pepe has it. So you have 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so every coin right now pretty much has it. Let's look at Bitcoin. Yes, 1, 2, and 3 right there. Okay, so even Bitcoin is a little bit fishy right now. So if SHIB has to go down, we're looking for a stop loss, which is this one, and I do believe this is going to be taken away. And the thing is that if this one's going to be taken away, then I do think we're coming down again and flashing out stop losses placed down here, and then maybe perhaps try to move back to the upside again. So that's it for this SHIB update. Again, I'm very positive on SHIB for the long term, not short term. I don't like trading coins like SHIB for the short term. Not even Cardano, not even XRP, not even Polkadot, not even Chainlink, not Ethereum. I don't like them for short term, but I do like them for long term. They are meant for long term in my opinion. And that's it. I'm going to see you in the next one. I love this.